everybody, this is your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out. You watching vlogs, hauls, reviews, whatever, you got your girl back. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly appreciate it. But let's get this video started. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to leave your girl some comments at the bottom in the comment area. Let me know, what have you been buying from Bath and Body Works? The Halloween stuff has been released. Have you found any of the Halloween pedestals? Everybody is going crazy over these candle holders. Oh my goodness, they sold out super fast. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you get your hands on them? Crossing my fingers that Bath and Body Works restock those items. I don't know if they're gonna do it. I didn't get my hands on any of them. I would like to get the headless maid, but if I don't get it, it's not a big deal. And I would like to get that hand. If I don't get anything, it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal to me, because I personally like candle holders that I could display all year round. So those are the kind of candle holders I look for, or I reach for. Because I really didn't do my hair, that's why I got this hat on. But like I said, this is a Bath and Body Works haul. I'm sure y'all seen a lot of these candles. This was the buy two get two, I believe, sale. So yeah, this is what that order is. As y'all see, I got my box. I forgot how many candles I ordered. I'm hoping everything is in the box. Hopefully. Yeah, I end up getting 4 candles, and I did get some free items with rewards. Hopefully you are signed up for Bath and Body Works app rewards program. Spend $75, get a free rewards, and you can use the rewards for any item that's $16.50 and below. I was gonna say and up, but it's not up, it's below. $16.50 and below. So yeah, I normally get single wick candles. So today I got 4. I end up using 4 rewards, getting 4 free candles. So the first one is, yay, I waited a whole year for this candle, Pumpkin Bomb Fire. If you love smoky scents, if you love pumpkin scented candles, this is it. This is actually really good. And as y'all do know, the scent notes do not come on the bottom anymore. No scent notes, but it is a warning label. But this is how the fall candle looks. Sorry, thought I had it, but this is the new candle for fall. It did come out last year, but this one is amazing. Love it. I was on a hunt for this last year. I could not find it anywhere. My area was completely sold out, and I honestly believe I got 2 of those. Yes, I did. I got 2 of these. Yay, I'm so happy to have these. Super happy to have these. Amazing candle if you love smoky scents. Amazing. Bourbon maple. Yes, had to get this. And this is another one. I bought 2 of each. I try my best to buy these in doubles. This one is online exclusive. I believe you could get this one inside the stores. I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that. Leave that in the comments if you do know. I think this is in stores as well. But the bourbon maple is online only. And this is not a new scent. This candle came out years ago. I don't have it. This is my first time smelling it. So let's see what it's giving. Oh wow. This is actually really good. You really get the maple. Oh, this is good. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put this on the warmer, because normally I put all of my single wicks on the lamp warmer. Any candle that comes with one wick, I always put it on the warmer because they just don't throw good. To me, you get the most out of your single wicks if you put them on a warmer. That's just what I do. I'm not saying that's law. I'm not saying that's the rule. That's just what I do. You can burn these in a smaller area and they will do just fine. But if you burn your candles in a big area, it will not throw good at all. So just to take all the guesswork out of it, I just always put it on a lamp warmer. So yes, I did grab 2 of these. Happy about that. So those are all the free items I got. The candles I got is, and I'm gonna be careful because y'all know in my last video my candles came broke. Sorry if y'all hear that, but it seemed like every time I record they do that. But anyway, this one is pumpkin carving. Yay, pumpkin carving. Finally, the Halloween candles. Look at the packaging. It goes all the way around. The scent notes on the bottom. The scent notes is pumpkin, spice pumpkin, and brown sugar. This is good. Most definitely smell the cinnamon and the pumpkin. This is good. This might be good, y'all. This might be a winner. We shall see. Happy I got it. So that's that one. The next one is everybody's favorite. Everybody's favorite ice dragon fruit tea. This is probably my 4th one, I believe, 4th or 5th one. Amazing candle. If you have not got your hands on this candle yet, you are truly missing out. And I get it, this is not everybody's cup of tea. But really nice candle. So Bath and Body Works has a really nice return policy, so I recommend everybody at least try it. If you don't like it, you can return it, so it's not a big deal. But I highly recommend this candle. It is so nice, and it's selling out. So if you haven't got your hands on this one yet, you need to. Good. That is so good. I really like that one. And I have not tasted the Starbucks drink yet. I don't know what I'm waiting on, but I haven't. And I believe these last 2 is the same candle. Yes, it is. Wicked Apple. Wicked Apple. Yay. Another Halloween candle. Yay. Look at that. Look at the packaging. And I'm sure, I know y'all, if you look at my videos, I'm sure you have already seen the packaging because I've done a maybe 2 or 3 walkthroughs already. So yeah, the scent notes in this one is apple, caramel, and vanilla bean. Yes, green apple, if that even matters to you, because red apples are sweet and green apples are kind of sour. I love green apples, but yeah, amazing. Look at the packaging. I think this is going to smell just like those caramel apple suckers. That's how I think this is going to be. But let's smell it. Oh, the lid. I didn't even show the lid on the other one. On the pumpkin carving. Oh, it has the same lid. That same webbed lid on both. So nice. They went all out on this packaging. They did an amazing job on packaging. But okay, here we go. Let's see what it smells like. Yes, it smells like those the green suckers with the gum in it. Blow pop. I think they're blow pops. It smelled like the green ones to me on first sniff, but now that I'm smelling it a little more, I do get that caramel, and now it does smell like the caramel apple suckers. This is good. Amazing. And I'm so happy I grabbed 2. Let's check the other one, make sure it's not broken. Yes, it's all good. Ooh, this one is super full. What in the world? Oh, it's loose. I'm like, well, look at that, y'all. Oh, I can't tell if it's... Oh, maybe I could just pull them. But it feels like the candle is loose. It's loose, y'all. God, dog. I might have to call for another one because I'm not sure. I can't tell if the wicks is off. Y'all probably can't see that. But I can't tell if the wicks is actually off those little tabs that be at the bottom. We should not still be having these problems, but I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. They gotta do better. They gotta do better. They have to do better. Because this candle is the 2450 one, but as y'all do know, the core candles is 2550. We should not still be having these same issues that we normally have in the winter. We should never get a candle like this, ever. And I understand in transit, you know, it go through a whole lot. The candles are tumbling and things like that. I get that. But come on. Come on. I'm just saying. So basically, that's everything that I ordered. Everything I got, like I said in the beginning of the video, leave in the comments. Let me know, have you got any of the candle holders? Have you got your hand on any of the Halloween candle holders? I know a lot of people is really chasing those items. I know a lot of people is reselling those items on eBay and on Macquarie and all of these resale sites for big money. So yeah, just leave in the comments. Let me know, have you got your hand on anything? I'm crossing my fingers that Bath and Body Works do restock some of the items, considering a lot of people is really chasing these things. But as we all know, with Bath and Body Works, you just never ever know their game plan. What are they gonna do? Also, leave in the comments, have you received a coupon? They do have new coupons that have started already, and they expires August 29th. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you got a Halloween candle holder or a coupon? So yeah, like I said, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Thumbs up the video, leave me a comment, and also please subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.